Hiro-san.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Another day, another delicious meal at a beautiful restaurant.
Yes.
I want to introduce star of the show, Chef V.
Hi.
How are you? Thank you so much for having us today. We love your restaurant. It's absolutely beautiful. Can you tell us about it?
The Tarv is actually the grill house down in Woxburn,
Okay.
the harbor in city of Torshov.
Okay, which is the capital of Faroe Islands?
Yes.
Okay.
Very small one. Yes.
Right.
And we are here for over 2.5 years now.
Okay. Okay.
Pretty new still, yeah. But our specialty is the grill house.
Okay.
And we also have the best shellfish, fish, meat, and most of the fish and shellfish are from Faroe Island.
Okay. Yes, wonderful. I mean, we chose this restaurant because so many of your delicious products are from this island itself.
Yes.
Right. And one thing we want to ask you have some beautiful hams laying in the back, kind of hanging there.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about that, please?
There's not much to tell. It's actually it tell the story itself because this is Biota. It's their it's called the black pork. This one is from year 2018, if I remember right. Yes, I think the date was right. And this one has just 100% Biota.
Okay.
And it's only been eating acorn nut.
Acorn nuts. Wow, amazing. And then I also saw your delicious aged beef.
Yes.
Yeah, tell us the ones you have in the window. What kind of beef is that?
Yeah, that is American dry aged Great Omaha ribeye. Actually, one of my favorite as well.
And how many days has it been there so far?
The one laying down there is 70 days.
70 days.
Yes.
Wow.
The one is up there are over 1 year old now.
Wow. And you told me earlier you have another few months to go before you serve it?
So you should come back.
Oh, we are coming back. Save Hiro and I a piece, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a next trip.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much again.
Yes.
And Hiro-san, what are we making today?
So first I'm gonna make two dishes.
Okay.
But the first one I'm gonna do a langoustine and a salmon sashimi.
Let's take a look at this beautiful one. Can you hold one up, Hiro?
It's very light, very light.
Yeah.
Very light.
Wow, look at that.
So I'm going to use this one
Okay.
today. Tenaga ebi.
Okay, and what else do you have, Hiro?
And then of course salmon.
Okay, this is from, of course, the Faroe Islands.
Yes.
We are only talking about the best salmon in the world, Bakkafrost. What else,
Yes,
Hiro?
and I'm gonna use the oba.
Okay.
And then the daikon. Slice up already. I'm going to make in the little bit cut into little more smaller.
Okay.
And the lemon and cucumber and the edible flower.
Okay.
And then he has olive oil and the salt and salmon egg.
Okay.
After slice it, put into the water, and daikon going to be live.
Right, take a look at this thing. It's beautiful, Hiro. One of those claws that are strong, huh?
Oh yeah, very live.
Okay.
Very fresh.
Okay, let's go.
Ready? Okay.
Oh.
Then okay. Then I'm going to use a spoon. Then squeezing out the meat off from shell. Like that.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it here.
Can you use the head for anything here?
Yeah, I'm going to use head. I'm going to use head too. So I'm gonna do same thing. Two more langoustine. So I'm gonna keep these things here.
Okay.
Okay. Just gonna do half back. Done. The first I'm gonna do a little bit of red salt. Okay. And then a little bit olive oil. And then next one, lemon juice. Go like that. Then I keep this one here for now. Okay, and then belly side here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one here.
Hiro, this is Binchotan,
Yeah, it's a binchotan. I just put it for the
Wow.
decoration.
all the way from Japan to the Faroe Islands.
And this thing is here a little bit. And this guy. Let's make it open nicely. This guy here. Gonna do a little bit over in the center. Back to the shell. Okay. Okay, put it here. Here. Let's put 2 lemons here.
That's it, Hiro.
That's it.
Wow, it looks beautiful.
Okay.
All done with products from here in the Faroe
Yep,
Islands.
Faroe Island.
Let's take a quick look at this. And beautiful blackfall salmon and beautiful langoustine. Can't wait to try this dish. The last time we had such live and fresh seafood was in Okinawa, Japan, huh? Been a while.
Yes.
Hiro-san, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you very much.
If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share. Don't forget to subscribe. And stay tuned. We got so many more adventures for you to see from here. All right, finished product.
Yes,
And we
finished
want to show
product.
Chef V. How's it look, Chef?
Great, very beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
I look like a pro, huh?
Still beginning.
He learned on YouTube, actually.
Yeah, YouTube is
YouTube's
everything
there.
now.
Yeah, absolutely.
I
Well,
also
enjoy-
Google for many recipes.
Yeah. Okay, enjoy.
Yes, please.
Yes, thank you.
Yes.
Oh, looks great. Where to start?
Yeah. Salmon.
Always baka first. Huh?
The best in the world. We always say that because we've used them so long.
Let me taste.
So always go ahead. Yes.
And our amazing hosts, we have Petra and we have Paul. Please enjoy.
Thank you.
And Hiro-san, you must try too.
Yeah. With a local Langoustine.
How's
Very
Hiro?
good.
Hiro, the sauce is on this side if you
Yeah,
want.
but this one I put a little bit salt,
Okay.
and olive oil.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
That's enough to
All right.
eat this. So
Okay.
good.
Yeah, that has salt and live olive. Okay, please.
I'm gonna go with the langoustine.
Okay.
Try that. With the flour.
With the flour. Nice.
Try that.
Okay. Enjoy.
Thank you.
And put some ikra on the top. It's a nice little bit saltiness
Yeah.
from the
very
ikra.
nice. Yeah.
Looks delicious, I must say. I'll also
Yeah.
try this
With the ikra.
before.
Yes.
Can you dip in?
Yeah, sure.
It's very good.
Good. Thank you.
All right. Well, thank you again so much, Chef.
Thank you.
Langoustine.
Oh, yeah.
I eat it every day.
Oh, you eat every day?
My mobile won't die.
Gotta taste the freshness of it.
Is mean good, right? See? I'm always saying in the video. Yeah, so always good.
It is really good.
Well, Chef, thank you so much for having us.
Yeah.
I said thank you for having us.
Yes, we really
Yes.
appreciate it, and your
Thank you
products
very
are
much.
amazing.
Thank you.
You guys ever in the Faroe Islands, you must visit Chef V here at the Tarv.
Thank you.
We'll see y'all soon.
日本の皆さん、こんにちは。寺田寿司道場の寺田です。今回ですね、日本のサブタイトルを入れてですね、新しいチャンネルがスタートしました。オリジナルのチャンネルはダリー・アリーズ・オブ・アマスター寿司シェフと言いますね。日本のね、サブタイトルを入れてですね、日本の皆さんに楽しんでもらいたいと思いまして、このチャンネルを始めました。どうぞご覧ください。Today I have a great news. Japanese subtitle version channel is start. The name is Terada Sushi Dojo. It's in the kanji. Of course, you guys cannot read it, but a new channel. It's already started. Please watch it. So every video at the beginning, I am speaking in Japanese, a special introduction there. So something new. In the future, a lot of videos coming. Also, Japanese special version of the video also coming too. So please stay tuned. More subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.